The All Progressive Congress (APC) for Edo State don round up their celebration for Edo South Senatorial District as Edo Governor-elect Senator Monday Okpebholo don promise say im go start work sharp after dem swear am in on November 12, 2024. After the party win for the Edo 2024 gubernatorial election, the APC begin waka go for one statewide Thanksgiving tour, visit Edo Central, Edo North, and finish with one big celebration for Edo South. The last event shele on Tuesday, October 8, 2024 for University of Benin Ekewan campus, where party leaders, members and supporters full ground dey jolly as dem celebrate their election success. For the speech where the governor-elect Senator Monday Okpebholo give, im con thank the party supporters well for the way dem stand gidigba behind the party during the election. E come also throw salute to Nigeria President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and come promise say im no go carry the trust wey dem give am play as im go work tirelessly to better the life of Edo people. In Deputy Right Honourable Dennis Idahosa for im talk, come throw salute to the supporters for their support and come also warn local government chairmen say make dem do well as their day of reckoning don near.
I want to thank all of you. The day of election was helping me. And people came out to vote for us, to vote for APC. And today, we are smiling. I want to thank our leader. I want to thank our leader. From day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, he was with us. Every area we visited, he was there. He was called Oshiomhole. For that reason, I believe working for the people is. And I'm promising you that I am going to work for a people. I want to thank our president. I want to thank the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Who for the first time, he sent me, he told Okpebholo, bring him to the office. I never knew I was going to meet him in his office as a governor. I want to thank Edosa people, leaders from Edosa people, starting from Odibu, Pastor Shaibu, name them. They are great men. They are great men of the Edosa. I want to thank all the local government chairmen from the South, all the ward chairmen from the South, all the leaders from the South, all the women leaders. I want to thank all of you. I have nothing to pay everybody but to work for you people. We need the money. We need the money. From the day we are starting, we'll see new things begin to happen. I want to thank the Oba of Benin. I want to thank everybody is there. God bless you all. God bless our state. God bless Nigeria. Thank you. We are here today to thank you. We have campaigned in the 77 wards that makes Edo South. We have shown us love. We have won the election. And it's time to say thank you. In Benin language, they will say Obaseki. I will But long before the election, I knew we were going to win this election. And I sent a message to the opposition, especially the outgoing governor Obaseki. I told him in that message that Abakomisa is not a man we mess with. One great Benin musician in Nigeria sang a very beautiful song. He said, "I will go now fair. I will go now fair." And when the baby listen, today Abakomisa is the governor. Again and again, the answer to listen with me. We get to perfect olùwàyà mùjàlè màwé ẹni wọn rẹ òsàwọn bàmíwé ẹni wọn rí wọn nìyí wà wàyà wẹ sí kàkàbọ. Now I'm aware of having won the election, the PDP, we have asked the local government to mobilize them with 5 million naira across the local government of the district to mobilize women to be protesting in the streets. The money meant to develop different localities, they are using it for evil. I also saw some innocent women running up and down with black clothes. They should have asked elsewhere to ask his wife to wear black clothes. They should have asked Obaseki one to join part of it. But they are using innocent women. Anybody that wishes evil in this land, Holy Ghost! But let me quickly warn the local government. Every single couple, you are going to show. You know what? You can do whatever you like now, but the judgment is coming. 3 weeks from now, Obaseki will be on his way to Lagos. You will answer for everything you have done in every local government. It is time for you to repent. If they ask you to bring money, tell them there is no money. The money meant for each local government to develop the locality. Anybody want fire?
For a own speech, Senator Adams Oshiomhole, the former governor of Edo State, come talk say make APC dey open to people wey wan join the party from other parties, but make them shine their eye well, make them not allow people wey fit bring wahala for inside the party. Oshiomhole come also warn say since the election don finish, time no dey to waste, and he come confirm say Senator Monday Okpebholo go start work immediately to better the life of Edo people, just as he promised during in campaign.
Today I'm just going to talk like, we are in celebration mode. And as believers, forgive those who have erred, and even those who suffered collateral damage. Today, God has given us victory. Once God has given us victory, we have no right anymore to be angry with anyone. If God has fought the battle, who are you to continue to grumble? So I ask us, in the spirit of this celebration, if you see those who voted PDP, hug them. If you are privileged, kiss them. And extend hands of fellowship to them. For me, the APC, it is time to begin the job. The governor and the deputy governor-elect are ready to hit the ground running. After wasting 8 years, you will understand why we cannot afford to waste even one more second. And for you who make it possible, I think Senator Monday had done one of the things that was never really common. After this, I will go to see him again, because sometimes they have voted and they never saw the person again. Now we went around the street of Benin about a week ago. The day after the governor-elect and the deputy governor-elect had received their certificate, the governor said, and the deputy, we have to go and present this certificate to the Edo electorate. We went from street to street, market to market, and was excited about the joy I saw in the faces of the elderly, the faces of women, and even children. So, if we were not confident that this is our governor, there is a difference. When a governor is imposed, as they used to do in PDP, they will say that is the governor. That is to say that is the one they gave us. When they say that is my governor, it means that is the one they voted for. So that is our governor. Distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo. And that is the deputy governor. Right Honorable Idahosa. I'm just proud today to be with you who did the food soldier work. Because there are things you can do, we can't do. You went street to street, houses to houses. Your people speak, your people understand. You went to their parlors. You bought beer as you are drinking, you are canvassing. You went to market women, went to the market as they are selling, they are campaigning. So, we dedicate it for me, I'm sure the governor dedicated this victory to the great people of Edo State, in spite of everything. And for those who want to go to court, please, when a child has been beaten, even if it caused his own, it gave rise to the beating, we can't stop him from crying. But when you see, just say, don't cry too much so that you will feel survive for another day. So let us show love, let us show friendship, and let's rebuild unity. As we speak, many of the other party, particularly the civil people party, they are willing to return home. And if you allow me, I will ask you and ask us to receive everybody back. Listen. What Jesus said, I am not a pastor. But he said, who will cast the first stone? Who has not sinned? Anyone who has not sinned can say so. The only person, hello, let me be very practical now. If my friend and brother, former candidate, Olumide Ekpata, decide to come back and join us, are you going to run away from him? Wait, I want to educate you follow, because listen, as we age, the future leaders are going to come from among you. So you should learn some from us and then modernize it. That's why you are modern. Our people say, who they cry is in the same road. So the only person who we cannot take back, wait, because, hello, because of the nature of his disease, the nature of his political disease, is the one with serious, uncurable political leprosy. We keep him away so that the leprosy is not spread among us. But those who have not yet been contaminated, who were misled, my brothers, remember, democracy is a game of numbers. To those ones, we offer our hands of fellowship. To the cantankerous leprous one, whose tenure expires about 4 weeks from now, and I will mention his name. Govunor-elect Obaseki. That one is gone and gone and gone. Yeah. So that even when they say God is a forgiving God, He still created hell that will be habitated by those who commit sins that God will not forgive. Otherwise, there will be no hell. So that guy is on his way to political hell. We won't go that one back. Any other person, make me forgive now. Forgive me my trespasses as I forgive those who trespass against me. Minus the leprous one. So I want to thank our family members, husbands, wives who are not here but who all, one way or the other, make sacrifices without which October 21st will not have been possible. Our brothers have said, we thank Mr. President for ensuring that there was free and fair election. Why are we emphasizing this? In 2020, APC was betrayed in this state. We must never forget history. Even if they stop teaching history, we will not fail to tell our people history. APC was betrayed both here and Abuja. Today, we are all united, both here and Abuja. So, that is why I said, we must not take that for granted. The president said the election must be free and fair. Even though you will ask yourself, when you see some people doing the thing they did against us in uniform, you will wonder why they do that. But like I said, what should have prevailed, we have no right to budge anymore. Let's preach love, preach unity, togetherness, and above all, the promise of development across the length and breadth of our great state.
Our Tory person Oluwatin Tomisi Julius come also report say ogbonge leaders for the party like Edo Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, APC State Chairmo Emperor Jared Tenebe, Chief Lucky Imasuen, Senator Matthew Rohide, Edo South Senatorial Leader Pius Odebu, and Leader Pastor Osagie Eze-Iyamu, among others, also add their voices join as all of them talk say the Governor-elect and the Deputy go deliver on the promises they make and them go work hard for the progress of the state.
Before I say thank you, I want to officially, on behalf of the state government, to congratulate the Governor-elect, Senator Okpebholo, and then Ms. Idahosa. And to join our leaders to say thank you. We said we are coming back to say thank you after the victory. We have fulfilled that we promised. Thank you, and God bless all of you. The governor we have elected, in the next few weeks, about 4 to 5 weeks, we will continue to see the changes as he manifests himself in Edo State. I call him silent generator. When you go, silent generator. Comrade has one big generator in his house. He hardly make noise, but he can take 100 eggs. Our incoming governor talk less but loaded with action. Our incoming deputy governor talk less, work hard, love to be Mr. Who? I want to thank you. And to tell you, as difficult as the election process was, the most difficult task is ahead of us, governors. Thank God Almighty that He has given us a calm, responsible, articulate, straightforward, and hardworking team. And is ready to bring the dividends of democracy to the doorstep of every one of us. Edo South, I thank you. Before I conclude, mine is going to be very simple. Those who work for Okpebholo or not, the other day I was talking to him. He said, I'm coming to govern Edo State, irrespective of where you come from or your political affiliation. And I thank him for that. I just want to tell you, we need to give you the maximum cooperation. I want to thank you on behalf of our candidates, our governor-elect, the civil service of Okpebholo, our deputy governor-elect, right honorable Idahosa, all our leaders in the party, starting from Governor Oshiomhole, the minister, all the leaders that are here. And your very good self. I want to thank all the us that voted for our candidates. Indeed, the election was tough. The people voted and God elected. God did the nomination. You know, when I look at our governor-elect and I look at our deputy governor-elect, I'm reminded of my Bible class. God has said in his book that he will use the foolish things to transform the wise. Those of them that thought they were wise before they have been confounded. Is it not so? They are taken to the streets. They are beginning to do things that are inimical to proper practice of democracy. When in 2020 the APC won the governorship election, they took it with equanimity. From there they wrote the court and they pursued their case to Supreme Court. The heaven did not fall. That was a display of maturity by political party. But today, they are blocking. They are making noise, protestations, like another Trump in America. Why are you just having people? The laws are there. Follow the laws. Because there is respect for the rule of law in our country. Today, what has happened in Edo State is a dictation that God made and should be respected. We in the APC work very hard. I'm using this opportunity to thank all our leaders who took to the streets, both from house to house, all of our campaign coordinators, from the unit level to the state level. We are thanking all APC governors who want to vacate their domain to be here. We work hard. Nobody can doubt that. And today, God has rewarded us with success and victory. That is why we are here. Now we are thanking you. We told our party leadership in Edo State that we will change the political narrative of Edo South. We said the fortune of our party in Edo South will be different. Did you not do it? I said, did you not do it? No. All that is left for me to say is to say the leadership, entire leadership of Edo South, the LGA campaign council, the World Campaign Council, all I just have to tell is, we are not saying we're going. I didn't hear you. We are not saying we're going. Thank you. When we were campaigning, we told you about our Papomifa, that it was a rescuer. Did you know rescue us? Yes. Now I hear my brother, the Indian magician, more distinguished Senator Mato, said just now that some people are going to court. Not before you talk, I just answered them like this. After Kawirora, on behalf behalf of Edo South leaders to also thank our people in Edo North for the great job that we did. We want to thank our leader, Comrade Senator Adams and Oshiomhole. Oshiomhole used this election to test his popularity in Edo South. I'm sure you know that 4 years from now, our vote cannot compare for anybody anywhere in Edo State. Oshiomhole not only campaign for us in Edo North, Oshiomhole campaign for us in Edo Central. Every local government. And he came to my village and he campaigned in every local government. So on behalf of the comrades under Oshiomhole, we want to also to thank somebody who worked so hard for us, and that's our Minister of Niger Delta. Many of you might not know what he did, but one day you will know. We have had ministers before, and we lamented. But thank God today, we have a real minister. And we thank the President, Shaibu, for giving us a minister. So our people, Minister Obaseki, we are very, very grateful. Let me tell you something. Those people are going to court. We know the Okpebholo. For our PDP to say they want Okpebholo, they have to cancel with 2. If was 2 had not been cancelled, we defeated them over 5,000 votes. So when they want to go to court, we remind the court about the page they won that they cancelled. We actually won the Okpebholo. So it's not just we won the Okpebholo. So we are grateful to all of you. And by the grace of God, in the radio power, if you remember, before the election, I said we don't want problems. But if they bring problems, there is no problem. During the election, during the campaign, did they not bring problem? Was there problem? That's why we are here. And today, some few weeks back, we also said that there is a natural mystic flowing through the air. That if you listen carefully, you will hear. On the 21st, on that day of election, that natural mystic was unveiled in Monday Okpebholo, and then Idahosa as governor and deputy governor of Edo State-elect. After the winning, we saw many of them protesting. But I want to tell them the proper way and the way PDP protest. They are supposed to gather themselves at the ring road and say, we are in severe pains. We are in severe pains. That is what they are known for. This will take me to one of the stanza of our anthem, that we are what God says we are. We are what God says we are. We are the winners and not the losers. We are what God says we are. I want to thank everybody that won for this victory.
There's an important message we are taking here home, which of course I believe will form the headline of tomorrow's newspaper. Edo State government has officially endorsed the election and congratulated the winner of the election of 21st September in the person of Senator Govunor-elect. Are we happy? Are we happy for that? Thank you very much. That shows us that when we are united, we can achieve anything meaningful. Today, we are celebrating the unity of the entire APC members in Edo State. I recall that after the primary, it was a little bit turbulent. And many people believed that the what was going on that time, it wouldn't be possible for us to win the election. But thank God we have a different president, leader of the party, and we were united. And with the unity that we enveloped within the state, we were able to deliver. I say, let me therefore use this opportunity to publicly thank profusely one leader and the leader of the party in the person of Senator Ahmed Bola Tinubu, who was able to intervene and make sure that we work as one. Hence, we were able to win the election. Let me also make it clear, in 2020, we did our very best to win this state. And we rolled out all that was possible for us to win. But unfortunately, the party itself, the APC, they fought against us. We couldn't win. Did we win? Everybody knew, even a week to the election, that Pastor Sayo Ejeyemi was going to win the election. But all of a sudden, even the governors of APC, they were working against us. But thank God that this time around, we didn't allow all those people to come close to the level. And let me also use this opportunity to thank all our leaders in Abuja, starting from the national chairman, Govunor-elect. I think he spent almost 4 or 5 days here in Ondo State during that election. And Governor Hope Uzodinma, who led the progressive government to Ondo State, they all played a wonderful role to make sure that we were able to win. Today we are celebrating because we have won. Let me make it clear that even those who lost their unit, they did their best, because if we did not stay to the end, people would have rigged the election against us. Is that not so? So that's why everybody there is important. And to add to it, apart from these principal officers at the national level that I've mentioned, remember that during that election, the number one lawmaker in the country, in the person of Senate President, or common Senate President Akpabholo, many people did not know that he was here. He located his seat to this state, and even my managing director in Nigeria, they were here giving one form of support to our party to ensure that the right thing was done, because Mr. President Ahmed Bola Tinubu directed that this election must be free and fair, that whoever win, let the person be announced as a winner. And that was exactly what happened. When I heard that the people on the other side were complaining, oh, they rig against it, I said, we are going to open the books. They were the ones that completed paper long before time, believing that it was like before, where they could draw those paper. Could they draw them? And because they could not draw them, they are shouting. They said, bring your book and let me bring my book, let us open them. So they were the ones planning to read, but obviously they could not read. And today they say, how did they expect that they were going to win the election? When 3 GOCs were into one battle, before they went to the war front, 2 of them had become marshal. Only 1 GOC left the other. When you open it, they have their full 3 GOC. Is that not powerful? Who are the people in their PDP that was going to give them victory? All of them have gone away. Look at them, all of them across the 3 senatorial districts. So we don't want to say more, because we have no time to talk. But I want to thank you immensely for all that you did to ensure that we win this election.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.